So it is slightly raining, and I'm still going to continue, not going to stop. And I'll keep you posted. That's all for the update. There are pretty less people compared to prime time, and most of the Diwali shops in front of us, for example, are closed as Diwali is over. And yeah, I think it's going to be a pretty good experience, and I'll keep you posted. Over and out. I'm in Karapakam right now. It is still drizzling, and on top of my head is that water absorbent cloth, and behind me I put a shivag. The very thing fell on the road while I was running, as I didn't tie it properly, so I kept it on top of my... Yeah, you can go, you can go. It was a woman who just came across like that way. I guess I have to be careful, or people coming or making a turn needs to be careful. Hyundai has reached the top. I mean, from the camera it doesn't look so impressive, but from the ground level it looks like it is standing at a very high ground. Yes, Hyundai stock is also going to go up like that. It has been 2 hours and 2 minutes since I've started, and I've completed 11 kilometers. It's very nice of the gentleman to feed all of these dogs in the street. It's very good. Okay. Just crossed Sholingnallur Junction, going towards Padur. The rain is fluctuating between slight drizzling and nothing. For the most time it's just dwelling on very slight drizzling, so you, for the most part you can't even feel that it's drizzling, because I'm wearing 2 layers of clothing. And I have completed more than 12 kilometers, and the time taken approximately is 2 hours and 15 minutes since the sun has started. Walking towards Padur, and once I reach Padur I will turn back to base. I'll keep you posted as usual. Over and out. It's 11 o'clock or 2300, and Strava says 2 hours and 35 minutes and 14.4 kilometers out. I just took a small break in the bus stop right behind me. So 2-minute break, refreshed with a packet of biscuits and water, hydration. I think I can still go for another 7 kilometers without taking a break. And after 7 kilometers I will stop somewhere for another 2 minutes, take a short break, and set off again. I'll keep you posted as usual. Over and out. Alright, I'm in front of Satyabama right now. Strava says 15.8 kilometers so far, and the timeline being 3 hours from start. And I have to stop at 20 because I have to return the same distance, and it will be 40 by the time halfway is 20. So, and the full time return is going to have a path length of 40 kilometers. So I have reached my favorite Shell. You know, you look at this place around, for example, this is completely in the middle of nowhere, and this is exactly where this petrol station is located. The speciality that I think about this station is especially that Shell Select behind, and inside there's a nice cafeteria. Lighting's very good, especially you come in the evening after you go to, you take a pretty good distance ride in a motorcycle. You come back, you want to relax a little bit, so I think that this makes it very good chill spot. And the Strava says it's 17.4 kilometers, and the time is being read as 3 hours and 12 minutes at the start. And after it comes 20 kilometers, I'm going to return back, hoping it's 40 kilometers in total. So that's the update for now. I'll keep you posted as usual. Over and out. So I'm nearing a toll gate, therefore entering Padur. So Strava says 19.4 kilometers so far, and checking the time being it's 3 hours 37 minutes since started.